Hi, it's Matt here from thatleisureShop.com. Maybe you've just bought your first campervan or caravan and you're wondering, what chemical do I need to go in it? Well, here is a range of chemical from the company Elsan, and today I'm just going to unpack for you the different types and colours of chemical, what they do and why you need them. Now, Elsan are one of the biggest and longest established toilet chemical and water chemical treatment companies that we see here in the UK. They actually started back in the 1920s, and do you know where the name Elsan comes from? Well, I can tell you. Ephraim Louis Jackson was the man behind this company, and he saw an opportunity to create a chemical that would treat toilet waste and prevent disease as early in the 1920s. He took his two initials, EL, and the word sanitation, and created the brand we know and love, Elsan. There we are. I'm good for a pub quiz. In fact, there's a whole history of Elsan on the website elsan.co.uk. You can go and check it out if you're really interested, like I did. Anyway, so toilet chemical. Let's start with toilet chemical. So very often toilet chemical is blue. That's been the traditional colour that we pour in our toilet cassettes to dissolve our poo and our wee. However, in recent times it's been identified that the blue can be harmful to the biological balance in our sewage systems, and so Elsan invented the green version, which has become increasingly commonplace. And this is septic tank friendly. So if you're going on a campsite where you know they're using a septic tank, then you shouldn't use this blue stuff, you should be going for the green. Now, Elsan has been the toilet chemical of choice for many caravanners for many years, and they do very big, heavy containers and bottles of it, which is perfect in a caravan. But many people, of course, have got a motorhome and haven't got room to store something this big, and so Elsan have more recently created this version, which is a concentrate version in a much smaller bottle. And so this stuff is designed to treat the toilets in the same way, but it's a double concentrated. So you use half the amount that you would from a big bottle, and it's ideal to be stored in a much smaller container. So that's the blue and the green, okay? We then come to pink. Now, if you've got a caravan with a flush header tank, so this is a separate place where you fill with water, and when you flush the toilet by pumping the lever or pressing the button, it pours water around your toilet bowl. This stuff is designed to go in there, and it keeps your toilet pan fresh and keep it clean. So there's this double rinse version in two different sizes. Again, ideal if you've got a small cupboard that you want to squeeze it into. The pink chemical is also available in this large bottled version, which is ideal in a caravan where you've got plenty of locker storage space, perhaps in the front locker where you keep your gas bottles. They also do a grey water tank cleaner. So the grey water tank is the water tank that goes down the sink plug holes. So you spit in it when you clean your teeth, you wash up, so you get food going down the plug hole. You might have a shower, that same water goes down into that same water tank. So there'll be some body fat and there'll be some soap. This chemical is designed to clean that tank. So dispense some of this, the instructions are on the side of the bottle, into the tank again with some water. Warm water makes it more effective. Keep the exit valve shut, go for a drive, maybe a few times around a roundabout, leave it in the tank for 24 hours and then empty it out, and you'll find that that congealed stuff that gets in the bottom of the tank is distilled and it comes out, keeping your tank clean, free from being blocked up and free from any nasty smells. They also do some freshwater tank treatment. So this is the water that you drink, and you can pour this into your drinking water tank and it will clean it and keep it fresh. Now, one thing we missed, because it's hiding down the front here, is a blue version of the toilet chemical. This is available in a green version as well. It comes securely stowed. There we are, just undo that. And it's the blue toilet chemical in a tea bag. So you can drop this into the cassette. It's pre-prescribed amount. It's quite sweet swelling, I have to say, compared to some alternative products on the market. In our hire business, this is what we use because it saves people having to dispense the right amount and overusing it. One of those, a little bit of water, job done. So I hope that's been useful. A range of product from Elsan. You'll see them in most camping, caravan and motorhome accessory shops. And now hopefully you know which colour you need to buy for your next trip.